Good morning, people. We're gonna get these little kitties fed. They're hungry. Let's get going. That's right, they're just little guys and they're starving right to death. That's right, so let's get this going. Yeah, let's get this going. Yet they're starved right to death. They're just baby kids and that's right. Yep, they're starved right to death, people. Yeah, they are. Yep, they're starved right to death and that's the way it is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, they're starved right to death. That's right. Yep, they're starved right to death, and that's just the way it is. Yes, they are. They're dead little fetish, and they're starved right to death. That's right. They can barely make it. Yes, they can barely make it. Because they're just babies. That's right. They're my little Kiki. He's asking me for special treatment, and I can do that. Yes, I can. Because he's babies, and that's right. Okay. That's right. They're asking for baby treatment, and Pop is going to give it to them. Yes, sir. There's one, two, three, there's 4 bowls right here for the little fellers. Yes, sir. I got a couple more right here too. I'm gonna feed them. Okay, that gets the 2 indoor kitties taken care of. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that gets the outside kitties. So I went and got my necklace yesterday. That's the one I left on the job. The reason why it fell off is because I was standing on my head fixing a spot underneath a cupboard, and it fell off. So, when that happens, that's it, Okay, so let's get some coffee going here, folks. I'm just about done with the coffee. Hate to see it go, but it's coming. So I had bacon and eggs last night. It's pretty good. Okay, let's go out and get those kitties fed. Okay, that's these little guys. They're taken care of. Yeah, sure. Let's go out and get the fellas outside. That's right. It's 5:49 right now. Hi, fellas. They're my little guys right there. Yeah, sure. You can always come in, honey. Yeah, you don't have to stay outside, that's for sure. Okay, guys. I always start with the same bowl for my little guy. And then I just move from spot to spot. I got 9 bowls out here I keep going for the little fellers. Yeah, I just move from spot to spot. Like I said, I've got 9 bowls out here I keep going. Trying to help the little guys out. Okay, the water looks okay, but I'm gonna fill it up a little bit. That's just because that's what I do. Okay. Okay. Let me put this shit away. Looks like the raccoon might have came in yesterday. Just saying. Here, Dora. Hold on, peeps. There's a mess developing here. Okay, I got that taken care of. It's okay, Fetish. Okay, that's got him water. It's got him food. Okay, so let's go out and get the diesel plugged in. Patch, it's cold outside, you fucking idiot. God, it's the dumbest cat I've ever seen in my entire life. It's flat out stupid. That cat's just plain stupid. It's standing over there, looking in the gutter, thinking there's gonna be water. God. Stupid cat. Saying good riddance, stay outside. Anyway, peeps, we got that taken care of. We got that taken care of. We've got the little fellers fed. Yes, we do. Yes, you're right. There's the feathers on the bench. Yes. Oh, goodness. There's the feathers on the bench there. Yes, it is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There's my feathers right there. They're the little guys. Yeah, they're the little. That's right. Yeah, they're just little teeny guys. Okay, so I gotta do these dishes real quick. I had myself some scrambled eggs and bacon last night and some cheese, and I didn't get around to washing them. Just saying, but I'll get them right now. Does anybody still wash dishes by hand? I do. It's just because I can't stand the smell of the cups once they come out of the dishwasher. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, check it out. Yeah, I just couldn't take the smell of the cups coming out of the dishwasher. Just saying. Yeah. Okay, that's coffee. And then I let that drip dry for just a second, and then I'll and then I'll get it all then I'll get them all dried and put away. I still got to clean the house too before I go to work. That's why I wake up so early. I'll get the house cleaned, get the floor mopped, get the glass tables washed off, shit like that. Okay, well, that's got it all, people. Let me cut off a few of these lights here. Okay. So that there is my morning routine. 101. Getting the cats fed, get the diesel plugged in, get whatever dishes that need to be done. Yeah, when they sold me this case, they told me it won't slide across the table. I think they're lying. Hi, fellas. There goes my Dora. She's out the door. So they did pretty good. They almost ate it all gone. Yeah, they did pretty good. I'll have to say it. Yep. Okay, guys, I'm going to let you go. It's Thursday.